Hello and welcome to Key Digital's booth at CEDIA 2014. We're going to talk to you about our Digital IQ series HDMI HDBaseT 4K Ultra HD matrix switchers. In this family of parts, we have KD HD 4x4 light, KD HD 6x6 light, and KD HD 8x8 light. So you could choose 4x4, 6x6, or 8x8 in this product family. And each of those SKUs includes your 4, 6, or 8 receive extenders in the box. They're in the box. So this one SKU is all you need. A complete kit for a distributed video system with 4K support. Let's look around the rear of the part here to see what's so cool and what's happening. Well, so first of all, if you're familiar with Key Digital matrixing, your output side typically has your RJ45 for HDBaseT and your HDMI port for your HDMI cabling. And in Key Digital parts, whenever you have both of those, they are both live simultaneously, which means actually you have 16 active video ports for you. Output 4, for example, HDBaseT, HDMI, they're going to show the same thing at the same time, so they are mirrored, if you will. As we move across here, one very cool feature of this series of parts is your power supply for the matrix switcher, and right beside it, your power supply for all 4, 6, or 8 receive extenders. So they are powered over HDBaseT. Now, I mentioned the 4K support before, and what's really, really important to know is that Key Digital designs and engineers everything under one roof. Our office is in Mount Vernon, New York. In that lab, we have all sorts of display and source manufacturers for 4K, and that's what makes this work across all brands and platforms, where other guys with 4K support might only work with 1 or 2 brands. Now, an added bonus feature here that I'll talk about quickly is if you've been contemplating Key Digital's Compass Control, these matrix switchers are actually Compass Control master controllers. And our 8x8 light, in fact, is a 32-port master controller. I'll quickly go over these. These 8 3.5mm ports, they could be used as IR, bidirectional RS-232, or a voltage trigger. Your 8 HDBaseT outputs, those receive extenders, have a stereo port, IR, bidirectional RS-232, or a voltage trigger. Flip this around one more time, and then you see we're doing something extremely unique, which is Key Digital embeds IR, bidirectional RS-232, or a voltage trigger into the HDMI ports, and we allow you to extract it with these IQ jumper cables, male to female, and your 3.5 stereo plug there to connect your IR emitter, RS-232 adapter, or your voltage wiring. So you have 8 HDMI ins, 8 HDMI outs, 8 3.5 ports, and 8 receive extenders, 32-port control system. And it basically comes free. It just takes $100 license to activate your iPad to make that all live. So for more information, you're going to want to go to keydigital.com to find out about the hardware and about our Compass Control offering. Thanks so much.